What's up, guys? This is IFBB Pro Steve Laureus, and this is my world-famous salmon shake. And this is my world-famous salmon shake. You wanna try it?
I'm not trying that.
So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to put everything in a blender, blend it, and have it as a pre-workout meal. The reason why is because sometime when I'm having a rough day with my meals, so it gives me enough time to digest the meal a lot faster, because it's basically liquid. It tastes like a shake, like a soup, so it's a good thing to do, especially if you don't have a lot of times to break down the meal and go through the whole process. All right, so I'm going to add about 12 ounces of water right into the blender. And now I'm gonna add the salmon and the rice and a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. So this is about 9 ounces of salmon. I would have this normally with 300 grams of rice or 250 grams of rice. So the reason why I add a lot of salt in here, you want a great pump in the gym, add some salt, take your pre-workout, Pump Tropic or NitroFlex, that do the job. So you're gonna get a massive, massive pump. So a lot of people are afraid of salt. Salt is very, very good to combine that with your pre-workout before the gym. And the reason of the salmon is that the salmon has fat. So the fat is going to help insulin process in the body to slow it down, because once you burn through that, you're gonna crash through the workout. That's the reason I'm a big believer with fats before training. It has to be liquefied, very smooth. There it is. Now, who wants to try this? I love seafood, and salmon to me tastes like soup once you blend it. You wanna try it?
I'm not trying that.
What's the matter, man? It tastes pretty good, actually. Ooh, that was a little thick. It's getting harder. I gotta drink this fast. This is one of my biggest meals throughout the day, because it's a lot of rice. This is a lot more, easier on the stomach. So I try to do red meat. It's just, I couldn't do it. That was very, very hard to get down, and also it tastes horrible. So I'd rather have this any day. This is our new EAA flavor.
Yeah, we get a little cup.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Not my thing. That's all right.
All right, that's enough, man. Should we put this on a bagel? It tastes like wax bread. What's up, man?
See?
It's not bad.
Some people just got the gut to do this, Cheers.
Yeah.